chord of contact. We have seen the derivation in chapter of circles. Same thing will be applied here. If I have a parabola or any other second degree curve, and these are two tangents which can be drawn from a point outside the parabola. This point is P, and these points of contacts are alpha, beta, and A, B, gamma, delta. Then through these 2 points I can draw a line. These are the point of contacts. So through the points of contact I can draw a line or chord AB, as it is a chord and it is passing through the points of contact. So this chord is known as chord of contact with respect to the point x1, y1. In chapter of circle we have seen equation of this chord of contact is t is equal to 0. Again, here word of caution, t is equal to 0. If point lies outside, this gives chord of contact. If point lies on the curve, t is equal to 0 give equation of tangent. For example, tangent at A. So it's a derivation. Tangent at A. Same equation, t is equal to 0. Because point lies on this, so with respect to this I will find equation of tangent at A, that is t is equal to 0. So what is t is equal to 0? My parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. So y1, t is equal to 0. Again we can write y1, that means alpha y, because here coordinate of this is y1, beta y. Y1 is beta. So beta y is equal to half of the coefficient 2a x plus alpha. This is the tangent. And this tangent is passing through this point x on y1. It passes through x1, y1. That means I will have beta y1 is equal to 2ax 1 plus alpha, equation number 1. Similarly, at point B, I will find at B. At B, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent will be given by same t is equal to 0 with respect to the point gamma delta. So I will have gamma delta y coordinate is delta, y is equal to 2a x plus gamma. This is again both tangents pass through the same points. So this is passing through the point P. So it passes through P x1 y1. That means this again must satisfy it. So delta y1 is equal to 2a x1 plus gamma. So now one very important thing is, if I consider the equation y1 is equal to 2a x plus x1. Suppose I consider this equation. Can I say that this, as it is a linear equation in x and y, it is equation of a line, and this equation is passing through, this line is passing through point A alpha beta. Why it is passing through alpha beta? Because beta y1 is equal to 2a alpha plus x1. Alpha beta satisfying this equation as per condition number 1. So this line is passing through point A, and I can say that this line is also passing through point B gamma delta. Delta y1 is equal to 2a x1 plus delta, x1 plus gamma. So as per condition number 2, this line is also passing through point B. That means this line is passing through point A and B, and through 2 points only a unique line can pass. So this gives that equation of chord of contact is same as equation of tangent. Only difference is here, this point x1, y1 must lie outside the curve. So from this point I can draw two tangents, and through the points of contact I can draw a line which will be chord of contact, and its equation will be given by t is equal to 0. Again brief, the method is here I am finding equation of this tangent by t is equal to 0. I am finding equation of this tangent at A, tangent at B. Both tangents are passing through this point. So tangent at A is given by y1, here x1 is alpha, y1 is beta. So beta y is equal to 2a x plus x1. This is passing through this point. Similarly, tangent at B, this is passing through this point P. Now, by observing equation number 1 and 2, I am taking another line y1 is equal to 2a x plus x1. I can say that this line is passing through point alpha beta, because if I put here beta y1 is equal to 2a x is alpha plus x1. This is satisfied. Why it is satisfied? Because of this given condition. Similarly, this line is also passing through this point because this is satisfied by gamma delta. Delta y1 is equal to 2a gamma plus x1 as per condition number 2. That means this is a straight line. Why it is a straight line? Because it is linear equation in x and y. And a straight line will always pass through 2 points which will be unique. So this is the line of equation of the line AB, which is chord of contact.